The skilled life care planner is a crucial damages expert that can make or break your case. Determining future medical care for your client has been calculated either by a certified life care planner or via the law firm itself. Over the years, a life care planner was typically called in the fourth quarter to come kick the winning field goal in hopes that the game didn't spill over into overtime, aka trial. While that tactic may have been acceptable 10 years ago, the tables have certainly changed as of late. Attorneys are discovering that life care planners don't solely spit out a future care cost as a last-minute plea to get the insurance company's attention. They inadvertently act as a quote-unquote case manager to help plan your case throughout all phases to help get it settled in an acceptable and swift manner. I wish more attorneys used life care planners in the pre-litigation phase, which would help their case's outcome tenfold. Think of it this way. The skilled life care planner can bring a foresight to the pre-litigation case that helps guide the ship or the attorney in the route to settlement. Waiting to get the life care planner involved right before the ship docks at the destination, while they can certainly help with the docking process, chances are during the journey the ship was wandering aimlessly, splashing against random waves and rocks, losing its course repetitively. Below are some very important values that the life care planner can bring to your pre-litigation case. Let's talk about them. Determining any missing records that need to be requested. Countless times when I'm given records to review for a case, very, very important records are missing that would essentially reveal information that can be viable to producing a valid and reliable report. Helping in the preparation of a demand package is another important point. Oftentimes in the pre-litigation phase, future medical costs are estimated or marginal costs are used to get a rough estimate of future damages. A simple medical cost projection produced by a life care planner will certify that those future costs are in fact accurate, required, usable, reasonable, and customary. This report will essentially save the law firm time and money and significantly increase the chances of getting the case settled prior to litigation. Helping to assist in identifying the appropriate experts needed is another very important asset of having a life care planner on your team. While working through medical records, many times there are gaps in care. Maybe there's archaic records or inadequate practitioners that the client has seen that unfortunately make it difficult to provide a sound life care plan that is accurate. The last thing you want to discover as an attorney is that in the 9th inning, your life care planner uncovered that all along your client was experiencing post-concussive or cognitive symptoms and they never saw a neuropsychologist for an evaluation. I've seen it tons of times. By getting a life care planner involved early in the process, they can certainly help you avoid the roadblocks and the setbacks as you prepare your case for trial or mediation. Educating attorneys on proper questions to ask opposing experts is another huge asset of having a life care planner on your team. No member of your team will understand the case better than your life care planner. They bring everything together. You can bet that there will be a disconnect between treating practitioners in regards to them essentially working on a well-oiled machine or engine towards the care of your client. The skilled life care planner is well-versed in the collaboration of multiple specialties and can help you determine the most appropriate questions to ask both your retained experts as well as opposing experts in order to help educate the jury effectively. The moral of the story is to retain a life care planner and get them involved early in the process so you aren't scrambling right before litigation to put the future medical care costs on paper. I assure you that this type of thinking will prove to be a disservice to your client and that many important items will be undiscovered and therefore not taken into consideration in the case. So if you have a case that you are unsure of as to where to steer the ship on, reach out to a life care planner. They will help guide you along the process and provide you valuable information and insight that you most likely have not thought about.